Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel and to my latest video. In today's video you're going to spend a Saturday morning with me getting the house reset for a busy weekend. I'm making the most of having the house almost empty. My fiance and my eldest son are out at jiu-jitsu practice, so it's just me and my 2-year-old, and the house is a mess. As you can see, there is stuff in every room that needs to be sorted, put away, surfaces that need to be cleaned, and it is just giving me a bit of a headache looking around the house right now. So while the boys, or the big boys, are out for the next hour and a half maybe, I'm going to walk around the house and do as much as I can as I go. I've got this little boy all set up with some toys, some cartoons, and of course a snack. That means that I can get started. I'm going to start in the kitchen, wiping down the surfaces that haven't been done since maybe yesterday. So there's mess from dinner, there's mess from breakfast this morning. I'm just going to wipe down the chopping board, as you saw, and underneath, and all of the other kitchen surfaces around. I'm also going to wipe down the hob. It's not really dirty, we haven't used it for a few days, but it's just gathering a lot of dust, so I'm going to wipe that down as well. There is just so much stuff on the sides everywhere. I just want to clear the surfaces, so I'm just going to work my way through all of this stuff, find a home for everything, and put everything where it needs to be. If you're wondering why we have ear defenders everywhere, it's because we were at the fireworks display last night, and so these need to be put away as well. Now that this surface is finally clear, I can spray it down and wipe it. I'm also going to do this little area here. I need to put away the toys first because there's just toys everywhere, so I'm going to tidy up his little market stall, and then I can wipe down the bar stools. These are so easy to clean. You literally just use a surface spray and I wipe them down. Of course Cooper's going to come and make a mess the second that I've put everything away. Next, I'm going to head into the utility room and sort out our laundry situation. I'm going to put on a fresh load, just popped a tablet in there, and I'm going to turn the washing machine and get that going. And I'm going to take all of this clean laundry upstairs, ready to be put away. I will then gather up some more dirty laundry, ready to put on another wash later today, once that first wash is all finished and hung up to dry. Into the living room, and I need to tidy up in here. There's just stuff all over the floor, bits that need to be put away, cans of drink from last night, blankets out from last night. I'm just going to tidy up and get the room looking presentable again. And I'm going to spray a little bit of Febreze on the furniture to make it smell lovely and fresh in here. Up in the boys' bedrooms now, and I'm going to start by just decluttering and clearing the floors, putting all the toys and bits away that they've got out over the last day or so, and just having a general tidy up before I can do any wiping down or any cleaning. Now the surfaces are clear, I can give them a spray and wipe down all of the dust. This video I actually filmed well over a week ago, and my son's bedroom is completely transformed now into a big boy bedroom with a big bed and everything, so it's funny looking back at this now while editing it, but make sure you stay tuned on my channel to see his new bedroom really soon. I'm not going to have time to do all of the toilets this morning, so I'm just going to focus on the boys' toilet in the upstairs family bathroom. I'm just going to wipe it down with some Zaflora bathroom foam, wipe down all of the outside of the toilet, and then I'll lift up each of the seats and wipe all of that down as well. I'm going to put some toilet gel down the toilet as well, give it a good scrub, and I'm going to put a fresh toilet block in the cistern as well, because I think the current toilet block has run out. My favourite way to finish a quick little morning session like this is vacuuming the carpets and putting lines in the carpets like so. It makes the whole upstairs look and feel so much cleaner and tidier, and it just resets my mind. I feel so ready for a busy family weekend now after just running around for an hour and doing as much as I can. It just does wonders for my mental health and means that I can now relax and have a fun weekend with my boys. Guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to see 3 videos a week, and I will see you in my next one.